Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophia and I'm here with another video. So like last time I was saying how I wanted to open up my own stationery business, but I changed my mind and now I want to have my own nail business, press on nail business and all that other stuff. So I decided to buy some things to add to my kit. So I guess without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So first, these three things I got from the beauty supply store. So I needed me a buffing block. I had one, but it wasn't as like gritty as this one, and I got two of them. I can't find the other one, but I got two of these purple ones. So now I got me a curved nail scissor. When I practice my nails, because I have a lot of coffin shaped nails, so I'm like, sometimes I want the coffin shape to be more stiletto, but since I'm, I guess, like a beginner, like using a nail clipper to clip the sides for me is kind of hard because it's never even. Like it's never even. And even after I file it down, like it'd be looking like a little lopsided. So I'm like, the scissors is just going to help it and make sure that both sides are even and whatnot. And as far as the tweezer, I actually have a tweezer that I use for my charms. So I have this tweezer, and this is pretty good for like medium to like large charms, but when it comes to the small ones, I feel like the pointer tip is just easier because it's going to precisely pick up that small gem, that small charm, just useful. So now we're gonna go straight into the TEMU haul. So with the least important product of them all, I got this keychain. None of the stuff is open. I just got this package like yesterday or Monday. I'm really not sure, I wasn't home, but this is what it looks like, and it says, if found, return to girl with the fat ass. And if you know me in real life, you know I got a booty on me. So this keychain, just I seen it and I had to get it. It was already in my cart, so I was like, you know what, F it, we bowl. So now I have these $ type charms. Again, I didn't open any of these. I am opening it with you guys. The only one that I opened was, like I said, the phone stand with the LED light. That's the one that I only opened. But other than that, let me get my little... So this is what they look like. I'm trying to see if I can get another size so y'all can see what they look like. So yeah, let me fix these, make these look cute. So yeah, I got these and I thought they were really cute. It was something different. I didn't have it in my collection, and I'm kind of in like the like what's that called, like creative, inspiring type of space, and I saw something with these charms, like, you know what, I'm gonna get it. So I got that, and I'm gonna try to put up the screenshots of everything that I bought with the link down in my description box, so that if you guys are interested in getting the charms yourselves, y'all don't have to type in what you think it looks. Just click it and go about your day. So let's go with another one, another charm. So we go with this one. This is the bear. I got like bear charms. Actually, let me see. So yeah, I got bear charms. And this is what they look like. And make them presentable for you guys. And literally, this is what they look like. I thought they were so cute. And I was like, yeah, I already have a set that I want to do that's kind of inspired by the bow that the bears are wearing. And just seeing this, I was like, yeah. Seeing this, I was like, yeah. This is it. So next up on the list is this nail. I got me a cloud nail display. So the story behind this, is that I have a set that is cloud inspired. And I thought, you know, since I'm having a cloud inspired nail set or like a nail design, and I've been practicing for a minute, so I'm like, okay, like it would be so dope if I got me a cloud, you know, display, so that when I come out with my cloud set, you know, whether it's like my official set that I'm coming out with or just the practice, I can put it on the cloud and it'll be a part of the cloud set. Like, I am so excited and I think it's so cute. It's like a cloud, and I already have like photo shoot ideas surrounding my cloud set. So this just adds to perfection. It just adds to the story that I'm trying to tell with the nails that I'm trying to create. So speaking of nail display, I got me a nail display. So on TEMU, there's like so many nail books. I really want like the plastic inserts personally, because I already own a A5, A6 binder. So I'm like, if I can get the thick inserts to put in the binder, that would be amazing. Because lately, y'all, I've been putting all of like my nail displays in a binder on loose leaf paper, and that double-sided tape getting stuck on the previous page is so annoying. So I am so happy that I have like an official nail display to basically just put all of my nail art. So I'll open here, and this is a double-sided tape. I don't really need it because I already have my own, but this is the double-sided tape that it comes with. And then this is, it's like a folded display. So like what you see at the nail salon, they have that also on TEMU. They also have the A6 binder with the inserts on the inside, and of course they have like specific nail books and stuff like that. So yeah, but I got this because I think it's cute. You know, I work outside of my bedroom on my desk, so my desk area isn't really that big, but it's definitely enough space to hold my nails. So now all of my nails that I had in my binder, I'm gonna take all them shits out and I'm gonna put them in here. And then once I run out, I may not even get me the one with the plastic inserts. My boyfriend told me to use like thick construction paper, which makes sense. So I'm definitely going to look into that. But moving on, we are on these charms. I saw these dollar bag charms and they're pink, of course. Pink is my favorite color, so I got it. And it's only 5 charms, which is not bad. It was like 73 cents for these. Like one thing I like about Temu is that when it comes to nail stuff, it's very cheap. Like, you know, and as a beginner, you don't want to buy a whole bunch of expensive stuff, you know. But anywho, so this is what these charms look like, and they're very pretty. I think they're really cute, and I feel like just like the dollar signs, I can do something with this. Like, I saw it and I was like, I can create something with this, and I'm really excited to see what I come up with as a beginner, I guess, nail person. So yeah. Okay, next up are these cuties. These cuties, oh my gosh, like just like the bear charms, I saw a design because I really do want to come out with the set that's like ribbon and lace based, and OMG, like these are just too cute. Let me just put one of each on the thingy. So this is what they look like, and I think they're so pretty. I think they're so girly. Like, I just love ribbon. When it's done right on the nail, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. And yeah, so this is what I have. Hope you can see them clear. Yeah, you can see them clear. So this is what I have. These ribbons are just so cute. I don't even know how much they cost, but again, everything from Temu is pretty cheap. And like I said before, if you're somebody who is like upcoming nail tech, upcoming anything, you know, especially if you own a business, Temu is definitely the first stop to come to gather, you know, and build your inventory and stuff like that. Okay, now we're gonna bring out these bad boys. So I ordered a pack, I guess you can call it a pack of black rhinestones, blue rhinestones, red rhinestones. I also have silver rhinestones, and I actually bought that from Temu, I think around February or January. And that's the first that I was really building my kit. First time for everything. So, this is the red. And as you can see, each comes with tweezers and a color pencil, you know, to pick up the stones and stuff. So let's move this. This is great tweezers. I'm definitely going to keep this so that I can do some eyelash extensions. These are perfect. These are perfect for eyelash extensions. So I'm definitely keeping these. I'm going to keep one as like a backup because I already have, you know, like I showed you earlier, but I'm going to keep one as a backup and then keep the rest for personal use. But yeah, these are the charms. I got them in black, like I said, red, blue. I have silver already. You know, I just wanted to just have more, you know, color to my collection and stuff like that. Once, you know, I start learning new tricks and learning new designs, you know, I might want to add more color. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just using the silvery rhinestones, I got blue, I got black, and I got red. So period. I got gloves. So one thing, like ever since I started practicing nails, I didn't wear gloves because every girl that I watch on YouTube wear gloves and I don't wear gloves. So I'm like, you know what, let me go and get me some gloves. And I got me some pink gloves. I got a size medium because some girl got a small and she was saying how they were like too small. It wasn't enough wiggle room. So let's see if I got a little wiggle room because my hands are small. These are perfect. I'm a nail tech for real. Like, look at me. And can I have your nails, please? Period. So yeah, so I got me some gloves. But yeah, but like I said, I didn't wear gloves before this, so now I got me some gloves. Period. Next up, I got this. So I got a hand tearing multi-purpose cloth. So I have a towel specifically for my nails, but you know, in case that one get dirty and gotta get washed, like what else am I gonna use? And I saw something like this in Home Depot, and I also, like, when I was watching my nail videos, you know, like once upon a time I seen this video, and she was using, you know, like the tire car, like paper towel. It's blue and it's from Home Depot, and I see like a lot of like girls use it to absorb like the extra like monomer or like acetone or whatever like that when they do nails. So I thought, you know, instead of going to Home Depot, let me try to get me a similar one for cheap at TEMU. So I'm gonna crack it a little bit, just because, like I said, I already have a towel for my nails. This is just for when, you know, I'm in between. Oh, this feels good. This feels soft. Like, it definitely feels like a towel soft. Like, you can tell this is definitely good at absorbing liquids, you know. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to try this out, the microfiber fabric. So yeah, I got this for my nails, you know, absorb all the goodness while, you know, I get my life together. So that's it. Okay, so I just realized that my mat was dirty. So yeah, don't mind that, because I'm just now noticing that. I got A5 size envelopes because, you know, I was doing the envelope, it's like a money saving thing using envelopes, whether it's the A5 or the A6 or just regular envelopes. But because I have both and I don't have any for the A5, I got some for the A5. So this ain't special. This is just a personal thing, just like the keychain. It was something that I had in my car that I wanted to buy and that I needed, and I bought it, and that's that. Last but not least, I have a container to hold all of my charms, because your girl don't have storage space like that to just have her charms be nilly-willy, and I prefer everything to kind of like be in the same area, so I'm not jumping trying to, you know, do all that other, like, I'm not trying to be sifting through all my stuff just to get through one charm. So this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like, and I think it'll be good. It's something cute, something small, you know. Again, I'm a beginner, so it's like I don't really need a whole lot of slots, you know. I don't really have that much charms, but this is 24 and I think I'm good. And I feel like this will be good for like my big charms, because I got big charms. So, but anywho, that's really it. And this is the last thing on my list. And this is what the light thingy looks like. This is what my little desk ring light looks like. 10 inches, of course. Period. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me and watching this video. And I will see you guys again.